So children, I'm outside in my garden and I wonder if you can spot something just behind me. What can you see? Something that a firefighter might use. What is it? That's right, it's a ladder. Wow, I wonder why. Have a little think. Why do they need ladders? What would the ladder be used for with a firefighter? Remember, they go on top of the fire engine, but they need to take them with them on their emergency rescues. What would they need it for? That's right, things might be taller than them. They won't be able to reach them. So to get to the things that they need to save, they might need a ladder. Because remember, ladders are taller than us and they help us to reach things and climb up them. This ladder, let's have a look. This ladder is going to help me climb up to the tree. Imagine if there was a cat stuck up the tree. I then could climb up the ladder, couldn't I? So that's why we need ladders to get up, to reach things. This ladder is just a bit taller than me. It's a little bit taller than me. But some ladders are really tall. I wonder what you can find around your house that might be taller than you, or in your garden, or when you go for walks. I want you to look for things that are taller than you. So we're learning the word taller, and then things that are shorter than you. Oh, there's a plant pot. Can you see the plant pot? If I stand next to it, it's not as tall as me, it's shorter. So I want you to use those words, taller and shorter. Taller and shorter. Things that might be the tallest. If you're comparing sizes, put two things next to each other. It might be you and your brother or sister if you've got any. Stand next to each other. And then if you've got a mum or dad who could get a piece of paper against the wall, you could draw lines. That means we could see how tall you are, how tall your big brother or sister is. Or it could be mums and dads. You could do a big family, maybe even write your names next to them, and then we can compare the sizes and see who's the tallest and who's the shortest in your family. Now the other thing is, if I lie the ladder down, when it's on top of the fire engine, it lies down on the ground. Oh, can you just see it? Let's move it back. There. You can see how long it is. So the other word we can say is long and short. Long and short. If you and your families lie down on the ground, you could even draw around each other and then compare the size on the ground. Who's the longest and who's the shortest? Okay, so have a little go at that as well. So I'm going to go back inside now. It's really cold today. I don't need to save any cats, so I don't have to climb my ladder up on the tree today. So I'm going to go back inside. But on your walk today, or having a look around your house as well, see what's tall and what's short. You might have a bunk bed. They're very tall. Or you might have just a normal bed. They're a bit shorter. And you might have cupboards. They're high up, they're taller. You might have some short cupboards in the kitchen. Have a look around, see what you can find. You might even compare your teddies. There might be some tall teddies and some short teddies. Have a little look. And maybe you could make some ladders out of Lego. Make some long ladders if you lie them down, and some short ladders if you lie it next to it. Okay, have lots of fun with your taller and shorter, longer and shorter words today.